Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessica. It's looking really sticky at this point, so I'm gonna add some more. So I'm just gonna add the smidgen more. Oh, it's gonna be watery. Oh no. Okay, maybe I added a little too much. Going off of the recipe, guys. Oh no. Hope it turns out okay. Oh, this is too runny. Alright, winging it. Winging it time. I had it at the perfect texture and then I was like, nope, let's add just a little bit more. And then I fucked it up. Whoop. Ooh, these are gonna be weird. These are gonna be so weird. I hope they still taste okay. Get them all spread out and ugly. How exciting. Okay, let's pop these in the oven, baby. Hope for the best. Hope for something edible. Yay. Let's see, we'll see. Let's have a little bit of hope. A little bit of hope.
As he heads east, she'll have company. When they go to India, on all the trains they come through,
it's ready.
It's like
check it out.
Raised in Perthshire, Michael's mum Nicola and dad Sam.
They look alright.
Surely Scottish and Indian heritage to celebrate.
Why did I pick you up?
As soon as he could reach.
Why didn't I stop the TV show? I'm in a tizzy. Oh wow, they look interesting, man. They look something. They look awful. They look nothing like scones. Maybe they taste alright. Hopefully they taste alright. I'm so sad I'm not perfect. Not sad at all. Just surprised. I thought it was like an easy recipe, but I messed up on one little thing, and it was the amount of soured milk. So one mistake could end it all. It's still really hot to try. I'm just taking a crumb and it tastes like nothing. Wow. I really want to eat it now, but I guess I'll wait just a few minutes. I'll be back. I've waited like 2 minutes. I'm gonna dig it now. All right. It is baked all the way through. The bottom is nice and brown. It has like zero flavor. I think it would have turned out looking a lot like a scone if I'd done it right. It's kind of cheesy, like a little bit cheddary. But I can't taste the paprika. Barely. It doesn't taste bad. Like the more I eat it, I'm just like, this is pretty good actually. But they're just like little patties. This one's a fail for the books. I had a little bit of fun. Not a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I wish I had made this before I made it on camera, because I think that just added a bit more anxiety. I don't know, I just wasn't super comfortable. And I usually am relatively comfortable. But I'll be making this again. And next time, I hope I've learned my lesson and it'll turn out like a scone. Hopefully a little bit yummier too. Oh yeah. Let me get my spoon. Alright guys, thanks for watching me fail this time. I've learned some lessons, made something that's not completely unedible, so I would just say like I get a D+. I get a D+. Yeah, I feel happy with that. So next week or later this week, I will be trying to make this again. Oof, excuse me. Yeah, I'm excited. I'll see you later this week and next week and the week after that and after that. Promise. Good. Alright. Catch you later. Bye. Wow, that looks really cool. I've never done this before. Whoa! Okay, let's put the cauliflower in. That was really cool looking.